Hey guys, today I am going to be shooting my Glock 29 10mm. I bought this about a month or so ago, had some issues with light primer strikes. Sent it back to Glock, so I'm going to be testing several different types of ammo through it today. Right now I'll be shooting my Sig Sauer full metal jacket, 110 grain, about 1250 feet per second. So it's not the hottest loads out there. It's not Underwood or Buffalo Bore, which are about 13-20 feet per second, but this is still pretty warm. So let's put a few rounds through it and see if I'm still having the issues I was having before I sent it back to Glock. No problems yet. Let's try a different brand. We're going to try PMC Bronze. These are 170 grain jacketed hollow points. These are what was giving me the most problems last time. I was getting 1 or 2 light primer strikes per magazine. This gun also holds 10 rounds plus 1, which is quite a bit of firepower when you're talking about 10mm. Alright, let's give her a shot. Alright, we got the first 10 through it. Let's run 10 more. I'm not entirely sure what Glock did while they had the firearm. They had a letter and it didn't say what they did. So I'm not sure if they did anything. Who knows? I'm sure they did. Glock's an extremely reputable company. So let's try another 10 and see how these ones roll. Pretty good. Alright, let's do one more before we end the video today. This is Team Never Quit 125 grain frangible hollow point. Never tried this brand of ammo in any caliber, but it's like, from what I understand, it's compressed metals. Actually really affordable too at Cabela's. I think it was $16 for 20, which is cheap for a hollow point 10mm. Oh, didn't lock the slide back. My thumb might have been riding it. That was probably the least recoil out of the 3 so far. But so far, no malfunctions. I'm pretty happy. I'm going to keep running some rounds through it and see how it goes. But thanks for checking out the video.